Introduction to Mortgages, Buying a Home. Hey there, wealthy youngsters. Welcome back to another exciting episode of our series on money and personal finance. Today, we're diving into the world of mortgages and how they play a crucial role in helping you achieve your dream of owning a home. So, if you've ever wondered about mortgages and how they work, you're in the right place. Let's get started. All right, wealthy youngsters, let's break down the mystery of mortgages. A mortgage is a loan that helps you buy a home without paying the entire price up front. It's like a partnership between you and a lender, usually a bank or a credit union. The lender lends you the money to buy the house, and in return, you promise to pay back the money plus interest over a set period of time, often 15 to 30 years. Let's dive deeper into these examples to make sure you grasp the concept. 1. Imagine you found a super cool house that costs $300,000. You're excited, but you need help to buy it. You put down 20% of the price, which is $60,000, as your hello to the house. The rest, $240,000, is what you borrow from the bank. 2. Now, the bank doesn't lend money for free. They charge a little extra called interest. If the interest rate is 4%, that means you pay 4% of the borrowed money as extra each year. For your $240,000 mortgage, that's $9,600 a year. $240,000 multiplied by 0.4. 3. Your monthly mortgage payment isn't just about paying back the borrowed money. It also includes EITI, P for principal, I for interest, T for taxes, and I for insurance. 4. Some mortgages are like superheroes. They're steady and unchanging. These are fixed rates mortgages. Others, like chameleons, can change. Those are adjustable rate mortgages. 5. Think of amortization as a cool way to say paying back over time. As you make your monthly payments, you slowly pay off your mortgage. With each payment, you own a bit more of the house. 6. Equity is like a treasure chest that you fill over time. As you pay off your mortgage, the amount you own of your house goes up. It's like leveling up in a game, but with houses. Time for a fun quiz. Wealthy youngsters, test your mortgage knowledge. Question 1. What is a mortgage? Question 2. Who lends you the money for a mortgage? Question 3. What's the down payment? Question 4. What does PITI stand for? Question 5. What's the difference between fixed rate and adjustable rate mortgages? Question 6. Define amortization. Question 7. What does it mean to build equity? Question 8. True or false, you should always aim for the longest mortgage term available. Before we move on to the answers, take a moment to think about your responses. Remember, learning is a journey, and it's okay to take your time. Time to unveil the quiz answers and understand them better. 1. What's a mortgage? It's like borrowing money from a friend to buy a cool video game, but the friend is a bank and the game is a house. 2. Who's the lending buddy? It's the bank or lender who gives you the money to buy the house when you promise to pay it back. 3. What's the down payment? Think of it as a hello gift to your new house. It's a part of the house's price you pay up front, like when you buy a ticket to a theme park. 4. What's PITI? Imagine your monthly allowance. Some goes to the game you want, some to your friend for letting you borrow, some to the theme park, and some for a superhero cape in case your game gets lost. 5. Fixed rate versus adjustable rate. Fixed rate is like always getting the same amount of allowance. Adjustable rate is like getting more one month and less the next. 6. What's amortization? Pretend your game costs $100 and you can only pay $10 each month. Amortization is how many months it takes to finish paying. 7. Building equity. It's like collecting points in a game. As you pay back the money, you collect more points that show you own more and more of your house. 8. True or false? Longest mortgage is best. False. Even if you have more time to pay, you might end up giving the bank more money in total. Fantastic job, wealthy youngsters. You've unlocked the secrets of mortgages. Remember, learning about money is a superpower that'll help you make wise choices in the future. As always, thank you for being part of the Wealthy Youngsters community. Keep being curious and building your financial knowledge. Until next time, stay savvy and keep dreaming of that amazing house.
If you're ready to start your investment journey, we recommend Wealthsimple. Invest in stocks, crypto, and more all in one app. Low fees, expert management, and crypto options. It's all here. When you sign up, use our referral code for a chance to win between $5 and $3,000. Visit wealthsimple.com to get started.